Hi, I'm Harry with Athens Services. Thanks for joining us here at Recycla and Athens Academy event series. Today, we will provide you with some tips for creating a more sustainable personal care routine that might help reduce your environmental impact. Before we get started, a little bit about Athens Services. Athens is the largest recycling and waste collection and processing company in the city of Los Angeles and Los Angeles County. We are proud to service over 30 cities in Southern California, including the city of Los Angeles Recycla areas of West LA, North Central, and Harbor. Thanks for joining us. We'll be hearing from our recycling coordinator, Vanessa. She's out in the field to share some suggestions and reminders to help you stay low waste when you're buying beauty and body care products. Also, for more tips, be sure to check out our video called 6 Zero Waste Bathroom Swaps on our IGTV and YouTube channel. Let's start with tip number 1. Replace old or used up items with more sustainable options. Vanessa, how can we do this?
Use what you have first before buying something new. There's no need to switch out to a trendy zero waste version if your product is still usable and not causing any environmental harm. Before purchasing something new, consider reuse. There are share groups such as Buy Nothing that connect local neighbors for items they want to give away for free. You never know, someone might be giving away an expensive hair dryer or makeup they've never used before.
Great tips. What about when you are purchasing new items? What are some environmental friendly options?
Great question, Harry. You can look for items made from natural materials. For example, if you need a new hair comb, try purchasing one made out of bamboo or repurposed wood instead of traditional plastic. Other items could include a toothbrush made from bamboo, like this one, non-plastic floss, or natural sponges like a cucumber loofah. These are 100% backyard compostable.
I've been hearing a lot about avoiding single-use items, like bringing your own shopping bag. Is there something like that we can do for personal care?
Great point, Harry. You'll also want to consider items that can replace one-time use disposables. For example, instead of buying disposable makeup wipes and cotton rounds, replace it with a reusable option like these. There are even reusable cotton swabs where all you have to do is rinse clean once you're done. Last but not least, get yourself a long-lasting sustainable safety razor where all you have to do is switch out the blade.
Well, Vanessa, looks like you got a lot of items covered. Riddle me this. What about toilet paper?
I've got you covered, Harry. Guess what I got for you?
Wow, a bidet? All jokes aside, I heard these can cut down on toilet paper use. Thank you, Vanessa. We got more tips for you. First, a word from Athens Services. Don't change the channel. We'll be right back. Okay, let's move on to tip number 2. Refill your containers. Vanessa, tell us more.
Common body care items can be refilled and shared among people in the same household. This includes sunscreen, body and face lotion, shampoo and conditioner, toner, and makeup remover.
Refill stores are kind of a new thing. Can you explain how that works?
Throughout LA County, there are a lot of refill stations and bulk dispensary options. Check out the link for a map of businesses or do a quick internet search to see what's near you. At the refill stores, you can refill containers of any size, from a small 1-ounce jar to an empty medium spaghetti jar to a large gallon. Just check with the store first.
And what if you don't have a refill option close to you? What could you do instead?
If a refill station isn't an option for the product you want, opt for the large bulky containers, which use less packaging over time. You want to look for the number 2 plastic sign at the bottom of the container. These are more commonly accepted to be recycled. Just be sure they are empty before placing in your recycling bin. And one word of caution, if the product is likely to expire quickly, like some oils, always choose the size of the container appropriately to how often you use it. Wasting a product can be just as bad as wasting a container.
Great tips, Vanessa. That's a whole new way of shopping. We got more tips for you. First, a word from Athens Services. Don't change the channel. Okay, Vanessa, let's take a look at the next one. Tip number 3, reduce packaging. How can we do that?
Look for products that are easily refillable. Use a large magnetic case for eyeshadows and blushes, and just buy single pans to avoid the unnecessary packaging that comes from a single-use compact.
Wow, that's a clever way to avoid throwing away those cosmetic cases. Stay tuned. So Vanessa, I'm cleaning up the bathroom and I got some empty bottles to recycle. Can I just toss them into the recycling bin?
Tip number 4, dispose of empty containers correctly. Any container 4 inches or smaller most likely won't be recycled. Put these in your regular trash. For larger plastic containers like shampoo and lotion bottles, please make sure they're empty before recycling.
We got our last tip coming up. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. Tell us about your last tip. Tip number 5. Put on your research cap.
You can research the ingredients and health information of all kinds of products by using the Environmental Working Group Personal Care Database. They also share tips that can make you a smart and sustainable shopper.
What about some DIY tips? You got any tips for some folks who want to whip something together?
Yep, DIY that stuff and save money. Some products can be made at home and for a lot cheaper. DIY beauty recipes can include lip balm, hair and face mask, deodorant, mouthwash, and even makeup. Lastly, be mindful of costs and do what is best for you. Sometimes the more sustainable options can come with the higher price. Pick and choose what makes sense for your budget and lifestyle. Remember, little changes can make big differences.
Great advice, Vanessa. That was our last tip, so let's do a quick recap. Tip number 1. Replace old or used up items with sustainable options. Tip number 2, refill your containers. Tip number 3, reduce packaging. Tip number 4, dispose of empty containers correctly. And tip number 5, put on your research cap. Thank you, Vanessa, for sharing all of these great tips. Thank you for tuning into Personal Care Tips to Reduce Waste. I hope this has provided you with ideas on how to reduce waste in your own personal care routine. Do you have some ideas or DIY recipes? Let us know and comment below. Stay up to date on all things Athens. Follow us at Athens Services on all social media accounts. As always, if you have any tips, questions, or suggestions for future topics, send us a message or a comment below. For more information on the Recicla program, visit recicla.com or call 311 for any service needs. Or visit la.athensservices.com for resources and outreach material. If you are serviced by Athens, but in another city, go to athensservices.com and click on the tabs Residential or Business and select Choose My City for more info or to reach out to us. Thank you and see you next time.